What's up, guys? Ryan here. The time is here and the time is now. What time is that, you might ask? Cold weather time. The temperatures are plummeting, but we're all still working outside. At least I know I am. So the time has come back around for me to talk to you about RefrigiWear. My friends over at RefrigiWear recently sent me the Permafrost hiker work boot in black. This thing is awesome. The quality on this is impeccable. I've been wearing them as the temperatures have come down. Now that the snow is on its way, I'm going to be wearing them a lot more come this winter. These boots have a comfort rating down to -15 degrees, and I got to tell you, they're built very nicely, and I love that they're in black. Get your safety toe, very comfortable, nice work boots. These are the RefrigiWear Permafrost hiker work boots from RefrigiWear. They also sent me their Camo diamond quilted hooded jacket. This thing is nice, and hat. Wasn't expecting a hat in the package, but as you can see, it's got the RefrigiWear pocket right on the front. Instead of me talking to you about it in this warm studio, I got some footage here. Let's take it away. What's up, guys? I'm up on the roof working. Carrier, heat exchanger, you know how it goes. It's wintertime. Temperatures are plummeting, but the work still needs to be done. So what are you gonna do? Shiver your ass up on the roof all winter long? Or are you gonna get yourself some RefrigiWear? As you can see here, I'm wearing the Camo diamond quilted hooded jacket from RefrigiWear. This thing is pretty thin, but let me tell you, it is warm. I like it. It cuts the wind down, keeps me nice and warm. I wouldn't lie to you. RefrigiWear is my favorite winter workwear. As you can see here, pan down, I got the RefrigiWear Permafrost hikers on. These are keeping my toes and my feet nice and warm. They've got a comfort level down to -15 degrees. Take a look at these bad boys. They come in black and they're tough. Plenty of tread on these bad boys, so when you're hiking across these roofs in the winter on the ice and the snow, these are gonna keep you upright. And not only are they gonna keep you upright, they're gonna keep your toes warm. They have a composite safety toe, and you'd think, yeah, composite safety toe, they're gonna be freezing, but they're not. They're thick, and they're insulated, and they're keeping my toes nice and warm. So guys, the Camo diamond quilted hooded RefrigiWear jacket, this thing's nice, man. If you're gonna be watching my videos throughout the winter, you're probably gonna see me wearing some sort of RefrigiWear. RefrigiWear, stay warm this winter. All right, back to the studio. It's no secret to anyone that I love RefrigiWear workwear products. It's the #1 winter workwear gear I have in my arsenal of workwear. You hear me talking about it on Instagram, you hear it in my YouTube videos, and you even hear me talking about it on my podcast. Head on over to RefrigiWear.com. Check out all the selections they have. Work boots, work pants, jackets, gloves, hats. As you can see here, scrolling down, RefrigiWear.com. Check it out. Anyone that asks, what are you wearing, Ryan? I tell them with pride, RefrigiWear. In my opinion, the industry's leader in winter workwear apparel. Guys, check out RefrigiWear at RefrigiWear.com. Follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Google them. RefrigiWear is top-of-the-line winter workwear. I wouldn't steer you wrong. Take a tip from your Uncle Ryan. Check out RefrigiWear.com. Performance, reliability, quality. Since 1954, RefrigiWear.